Okay, silver fox, old fart, here again, just in a small creek, 2 to 3 metres wide, and we just picked up our first fish, small trout, probably 26 centimetres. That's okay. Yeah, this little spot. Cheers. Okay. Another small trout. About the same size as the other one. Out of the same spot. It's not bad. Little ready. Not real big. Okay. Swallowed the hook, so he's not doing any good. But he's not bad. And that's number 3. That's out of that little spot. So 3 now. Way to go. Cheers. Another trout. This one's about, no, I don't know. Yeah, he's not, no, we'll call him for 28. Call him for 28. Do the old tail thing like everybody does. No, he's 28. That'll do. Another one. Just out of this little weedy spot. Nice. Another trout. Small one. It's number 5. Okay. Keeping 5 tonight. A couple for an old bloke and a couple for me. So you're allowed 5. Not bad. Biggest is 31. Smallest is probably 26. So yeah. Not bad for an hour and a half. Way to go. Cheers.